Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Monday, September the 12th, the day after the Friday flush out. Markets got whacked on Friday, down across the board, but let's remember stock indexes had been trading sideways. They needed a bit of a pullback. We saw that on Friday. It's important to see how things respond the rest of the week. So looking at the S&P down 2.5%, the NASDAQ was down 2.5%, but it did make all-time forever highs just on Wednesday. So we want to see how things react from this unwinding. Dow was the best of the mess, down 2% as well. Everything was down, including treasuries, which is very interesting. Typically, they're going to move in the opposite direction. There was no flight to quality. Treasuries did not get bid up. Gold was down. Oil was down across the board. The dollar index was up a blip, not really significantly considering what was happening on the day. So we had the dollar up 25 points at 95.30. Keep an eye on that 95 level as an over-under. On a weekly basis, the euro currency was actually positive 50 points. So that's important to keep an eye on. Crude on the week was up $1.50 and gold on the week was up $8. So after that action on Friday, where do things stand on this Monday morning? Well, not as bad as it looked overnight. So we bounced back some. Right now, the E-mini S&P is only down 4 points. The Dow futures down 40, and the NASDAQ right now is down about 14. So we recovered some of those losses. We'll see how it responds throughout the rest of the day. But we're seeing the dollar drift lower. Again, that 95 is a key number to keep an eye on a weekly basis. So crude oil right now is down $1 full at the 45 level. Gold's down 7 as well. So things continue to drift lower. The VIX did get up to $20. We've seen a big breakout in the VIX. So everything's been down with the exception of the dollar and the VIX. We'll see how things continue to respond. But in the early go right now, stock index futures in the S&P down 4, Dow futures down 40, and the NASDAQ 100 is off 15. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.